In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect Git to GitHub. So to do this, you have to create a project at first. But before that, you have to check that if you have Git installed in your device or not. To check it, you have to go to the CMD, open it and type here git -version. I can see I have Git version available. It means Git is installed in my PC. Now you have to create a repository or folder in your PC. I can actually create here a folder and I can click on new and then folder, and I want to save it as test git folder. Hit enter, go inside of this folder, and here let's say I want to create a new file, let's say, and I want to name it as index.html. Let's just edit the file with notepad, and here I want to say that this is index file. Now I'll open CMD here. So you just have to click here in the address bar and type here CMD and hit enter to open command prompt. Here you can see. Now here I'm going to say that git init. Here you can see initialize empty git repository. Here we have to say git add space then dot, hit enter. Now here we are going to say git commit -m. Here I'm going to say, let's say, my first commit, hit enter. So you can see, tell me who you are. So you have to run this. So let's just copy this, hit enter to copy this. I click on it to paste it. Now here we are going to give our email address. Okay. So I'm going to say here my Gmail address. Hit enter. After that, our username. Okay. So enter here, paste it here. Now here you have to give your GitHub username. My GitHub username is this one. Hit enter. Fine. Commit -m. Here I'm going to say initial commit, hit enter. Okay, so I have to give a space basically. So let's just say here git space commit. Okay, hit enter. And here you can see it's added. Now let's go to the GitHub account. So I'll go to my GitHub account. Here you can see I am currently logged in. And now I'll go for the repositories. So I'll click here in the repositories. Now here we are going to create a new repository. So we'll click here new. And here I'm going to say, let's say test available. So let's just go with it, create repository. And now here you can see we have here this origin. Okay. Now we have to actually add this origin and copy this. Okay. Copy this and go to the CMD and right click on it, hit enter. Fine. And now here we just have to push it. So copy this, hit enter. Okay, we can now say here git push -u origin master. Sign in with browser. Okay, make sure you have default which one is your default browser. So let me just go to the default apps, and here I have to check that which one is my default browser. So I'll go for the Edge because okay, so the problem is Edge is not the default browser, so I have to set it. Okay, you can see I have set it as default browser. And now on the other hand, you can actually sign in through the browser. Here you can see now authorize Git. Okay, password, you have to give a password. Now let's just, here you can see now everything's worked. We can actually push once again. Right click on it. Already exists. So now what I have to do, you have to go to the test folder. And here you can see we got this file, right? Index.html. And if we click here, you can see this is index file. So you have successfully connect our Git to GitHub. That's it guys. Thank you so much for watching.